that part down. Where is my barrel? The barrel is here. We're going to try to fit the piston without actually taking it out of the barrel. That would be very handy if I could do that. Not have to worry. We'll try it, see how we get on. Okay, so I've got my wrist pin here. I'm going to try and get one keeper in one side and then slide the wrist pin in against it. These keepers can be awkward enough to get in at times. Yeah, so I was going to make this a full length video and everything else, but it's just gone on just a wee bit too long now. I'm going to have to try and shorten it down a bit, which I'm sure you'll appreciate. Now, needle nose pliers, I do not know where they are. No idea. Right, we'll try and get this keeper in somehow anyway. No, I need a needle nose pliers for that. Hold on, I'll have a look here. I want to move this keeper in this side if I can get it in there. Wow, it's really big compared to the piston itself, which is not ideal. That's going to be bloody awkward to fit. Not simple. How do you expect that to go in there? You see, I'll show you the issue. See the size of the hole in the piston? Now look at the size of the spring versus the hole. It's like, usually they're smaller than that, you know. I can't see that even fitting in there, but I'll try, I've no choice. Where do these people go to school? Anyone can see that that's not going to go in there. That is ridiculous. I'm going to try and bend it down a little bit just to make it a bit closer to the size that I need it. Maybe we'll get lucky. Not a chance is that going in there. I may go and try and bend it a bit more down. Not going to get it down any more than what it is there. That is stupid. I clipped a little off it so I could get it to fit. Maybe that'll work. And lo and behold, didn't it work? And it clicked in just lovely, so yeah. Where's my wrist pin? It's here. Throw a bit of oil on that, just. Oil's good. It's always good to have oil. Right, let's hope the wrist pin's gonna fit now. Well, they do actually know how to get something right. Well, it's struggling to fit, so it is. It's very tight. This is the wrist pin that came with the kit. I know they're meant to be tight, but not this bloody tight. That's unbelievable. You should not have to hammer it in like that. No, no, no. You should not have to do that. Right. Can I knock it back out again? Maybe. I'll see what's wrong. I don't want to damage the rings or anything. But I need to see what's wrong with this. Jeez, I cannot get it out now. That's unbelievable. Very stiff in there. Ow, it's hurting my fingers even to try and pull it out. Yay, I got it eventually. Right, let's find out why it's not working. That was very tight in that. I know it's supposed to be kind of not meant to be that bloody tight in it. Very, very tight fit. Perhaps I'd be better using a con rod out of the other ones, or a wrist pin out of the other ones maybe. I have got one here. I don't know if it's the same size for that piston though. Only one way to find out, and that's to knock it out here and see. I got one here. See the difference. Doesn't appear to be any difference at all, to be fair. That's very, very tight going through that. So both wrist pins are the same size. It seems to be a problem with the bush. It's in this thing. Whatever's going on with it. I come from the other side, what's like? I don't know, maybe it's meant to be that tight. I would have imagined that the con rod was meant to turn on that. Show me this other crank, you can see what it looks like. Don't tell me I'm going to end up pulling down this whole engine now. Yeah, it's a lot looser in this one. I don't have the original pin for it. I don't know if that's going to work. Unless I get a bit of fine paper and a drill bit and hone it a wee bit. Could be done. Okay, give me a minute, I'll see if I can come up with a solution for this. Well, that's me finished. I eventually got the head on the bike. I couldn't record it all because it was just getting too late at night. I wanted to work on and get it done. So that's us with an engine that's nearly ready to run. Although I realise now that I've lost my woodruff key out of my crankshaft, so I have to go and order another one of them. I have to order a seal for here, a seal for here, and so we could be waiting another week or two before we'll actually have it running. But it was a good start to get all that work done tonight, and bearings and all changed and most seals. So that's it for the night, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Demo 690 and don't be afraid to comment. And please like my videos because it really helps towards the YouTube algorithm to help me get more viewers. So it's very late at night here, so I'm going to sign off now. So thanks for watching.